Hello, good evening. Mohammed Ashik Khan once again. Continuation from the mock exam final section B question. So this question, let's see. Question number 37. M limited liability company has an accounting year and 31st October. The accountant is preparing the financial statements as of 31st October 2017. A trial balance has been prepared. Do each of the following items belong on the statement of financial position as at 31st October 2017? What we need to say is, going through the items by item in the trial balance, we have to say pick and choose which of them are part of statement of financial position or balance sheet, and which of them are profit and loss. If whatever belongs to statement of financial position or balance sheet, we need to say yes, and the rest we say no. I hope you understood. So let's go one by one. Building at cost, obviously we need to include it. Buildings accumulated depreciation at 1 November 2016. The 1 November 2016 is the opening balance. Opening balance will never come to the balance sheet, so answer is no. Third one, plant at cost, yes. Plant accumulated depreciation at 1 November 2016, answer no. Bank balance, yes. Revenue, no. Net purchases, no. Both of them are profit and loss item. Inventory at 1 November 2016, again no, which is also profit and loss item. Cash, yes. Trade payables, yes. Trade receivable, yes. All of them will come to balance sheet or statement of financial position. Administrative expenses, no. Allowances for receivable at 1 November 2016. Mind you, any opening balance won't necessarily come to the balance sheet. Closing balance will come. Retained earnings at 1 November 2016, no. And then the next item is equity, obviously yes. Share premium, yes. So this is the task 1. Task 2. The allowances for receivable is to be increased to 5% of trade receivables. The allowance of receivable is treated as an administrative expense. If you go to the trial balance, opening balance allowances for receivable is 10,000. So opening balance 10,000. The closing balance is 5% of receivable. How much is the trade receivable? 320. So that means 16,000. So there is an increase of 6,000. Now what they want from us? So the year-end journal for allowances for receivable is given below. Prepare the double entry by selecting the correct option for each row. Trade receivable, we will not have anything, so no debit or credit. Administrative expense, the difference, the 6,000, I should debit it, so it should be debited. Allowances for receivable, that amount of that 6,000 we should credit. Revenue, no debit or no credit. So the amount is included in the statement of profit or loss is 6,000. So that is the 6,000, it will come there. So you just need to write 6 here. So remember, they have already written 3 zeros, so you should only write 6 there. Then task 3. Plant is depreciated at 20% per annum using reducing balance method, and buildings are depreciated at 5% per annum on their original cost. Depreciation is treated as a cost of sales expense. So what they want now, the year-end journal for buildings and plant depreciation is given below. Using the information above, prepare the double entry by selecting the correct option for each. So both depreciation expense we should debit to cost of sales. So administrative expense, no debit or credit. Cost of sales, debit. Building cost, no debit, no credit. Plant, no debit, no credit. Buildings accumulated depreciation, credit. Plant accumulated depreciation, credit. So that is the answer. Calculate the depreciation charge for the below for the year ended 31st October 2017. Use the information above to help you. So we have to work out So what we do is we go to the trial balance and then look for the plant. Plant cost 220. So plant, the cost 220. So we need to take the accumulated depreciation opening balance. That is how much? 110. So we have to work out the net book value, which is 110 again, and then now the depreciation policy to reduce imbalance method. What they say is that 20%. So depreciation 20%, that is 22. So depreciation plant 22. The next one, what they say, buildings, what is the policy? Building is 5% per annum. So we need to check the trial balance. Building cost 740. So building 740 into straight away 5%, that is 74, 30, I guess 37. So let me check. Yeah, 37. So that is this. Now let's go to the question. So here, calculate the depreciation charge for the below. Building 22,000, plant, building 37,000 and the plant 22,000. Closing inventory has been counted and is valued 75,000. Ignore the depreciation charge calculate earlier. What is the cost of sales for the year end? So the cost of sales calculation will be opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. What's your opening stock? Opening stock is 160. And your purchases, net purchases 1140 minus your closing stock 75,000. So 160 plus 1140 minus 75,225. That's the cost of sales. Okay. An invoice of 15,000 for energy costs relating to the quarter ended 30 November 2017 was received on 2nd December 2017. Energy costs are included in administrative expense. Complete the following. Double entry to post the year-end adjustment. So this is actually an accrued expense. So you have to credit accruals and then debit to administrative expense 15,000. The amount to be posted within the year-end is 15,000. Of that, let's see. We are receiving invoice 15,000 relating to quarter ended 30 November. Was received on 2nd December. So our year end is, when is our year end actually? Well, let's check the year end. 31st October is our year end. So accordingly, so I am receiving for the quarter ended 30 November. So see, this is year end 31st October and this is the quarter ended 30 November. So I am received a bill for 3 months. So this month is still not with us. So therefore we need to take only 2 month accrual. So 2 months is 15,000 into 2/3. The answer is 10. So final answer 10,000. So with this I conclude the discussion, and this concludes the mock exam 1 and I will continue with another mock exam in my forthcoming videos. Keep tuned on GBS Candy and Muhammad Ashik on YouTube channel in order to benefit more on accounting and finance technical discussion. Thank you so much. Bye bye, and keep tuning and watch on my video channels.